How to use Xoom by PayPal to transfer money. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you the steps on how you can use Xoom by PayPal to transfer money. Well, XO and Xoom. Now, to use Xoom by PayPal to transfer money, you will need to first log in to the account. Now, if you open up the Xoom, it'll ask you to log in, right? Either it's transfer money. Now first, you'll need to create a PayPal account in order to use Xoom. So you'll need to have a PayPal account and you'll have to log in using the PayPal account. So here you can see login or sign up, tap on it and you can tap on login with PayPal. Now you can also create login with Xoom account easily, but if you have PayPal account, it'll be pretty easier, right? So tap on login and go ahead and log in. Then you can go ahead and use the send option to send. You can select the destination that you would like to send the money, then select the delivery method. Choose how the money will be delivered, example bank deposit, mobile wallet, cash pickup, such. Provide the recipient's name, address, and bank or mobile wallet information. Provide your payment method, either PayPal, bank account, credit or debit card. Then double check all the details and you can send the money. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.